Hello and welcome to this week's question and answer video series brought to you by the Weekly Advertiser and Meriton Financial Groups, where you have the opportunity to have your financial related questions answered. My name is Rob Gowdy and I'm a financial advisor of Meriton Financial Group. Now today's question looks at negative gearing. So here's the question. I often hear about negatively geared investment properties. Can you explain what this means and whether it's something that's worth looking at if I decide to purchase a rental property? Look, thanks for the question. It's a very common question in our office. Now, a negatively geared property is simply where the expense of owning the property, such as rates, loan interest, insurance and other costs, outweigh the income the investment provides. The difference between the two can often be claimed as a tax deduction. Now, this tax deduction is often seen as the holy grail, but in reality, you're spending $1 to save tax at your marginal tax rate. So let's assume that your average tax rate is 34%, including Medicare. So by spending $1 in deductible costs, it will only save you 34 cents. One thing I'd like to point out that while I'd only ever hear about negative gearing, there are also other gearing outcomes such as neutrally geared or even positively geared investments. So imagine an investment that brings in more income than the total expenses to own the property. Now both these options are less risky options when compared to negatively geared investments. These strategies generally involve higher levels of debt and obviously putting a lot of money into one asset, therefore increasing the overall risk through a lack of diversification. Now for this strategy to work, the property has to go up in value, which is certainly no guarantee in the current economic environment. So I'd strongly recommend seeking financial advice before moving ahead with any type of gearing strategy. Thanks for sending in the question and thank you for taking the time to listen. If you've got your own question, please send it in via our website, and please remember this is general advice only and we'd recommend you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. If you'd like to share this video, please go to the link on the top right hand side of the page. That would be appreciated. Thanks for listening and we'll speak to you soon.